RS Agrawal, trigonometry, exercise 10, trigonometric ratio. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 में हमें दिया हुआ है sec थीटा है हमारा 17/8 एंड हमें प्रूव करना है 3 - 4 sin स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन 4 cos स्क्वायर थीटा -3 इक्वल्स टू 3 - 10 स्क्वायर थीटा 1 - 10 स्क्वायर 1 - 3 10 स्क्वायर थीटा। सो फर्स्टली इस प्रॉब्लम में हमें दिया हुआ है सेक थीटा है 17/8 और हमें पता है सेक थीटा इक्वल टू होता है हाइपोटेनियस अपॉन बेस। तो सबसे पहले हम एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करेंगे। ये हमारा राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है ABC। अब कंसीडर कर लेते हैं ये एंगल ए हमारा थीटा है, तो थीटा के जो सामने वाली साइड होगी डेट विल बी परपेंडिकुलर एंड थीटा की जो एडजेसेंट साइड होगी डेट विल बी बेस। सो अवर बेस इज 8। ये हमारा एंगल 90 है, तो 90 की जो अपोजिट साइड होती है वो होती है हाइपोटेनियस, तो डेट इज 17। तो फर्स्टली हम BC फाइंड करेंगे और हमें पता है इन राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल हाइपोटेनियस स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर प्लस बेस स्क्वायर। सो अवर हाइपोटेनियस इज 17 स्क्वायर। BC वी हैव टू फाइंड BC और हमारा बेस AB है 8। 17 स्क्वायर विल बी 289 BC square and 8 square will be 64. So from here BC square will be 289 minus 64 will be 225. So BC will be equals to under root 225 that is 15. तो यहाँ से हमारा परपेंडिकुलर आ गया 15. So now we have all three side of the right angle triangle. So from here our sin theta will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So our perpendicular is 15 and hypotenuse is 17. Cos theta will be base upon hypotenuse. So base is 8 and hypotenuse is 17. And tan theta will be perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is 15 and base is 8. So now putting these value here. So firstly we will take left hand side. So 3 minus 4 sin square theta upon 4 cos square theta minus 3. 3 minus 4 sin theta is 15 upon 17. So 15 upon 17 square upon 4 cos square theta. Cos theta is 8 upon 17. So cos square theta will be 8 upon 17 square minus 3. So this will be 3 minus 4. 15 square will be 225 and 17 square will be 289 upon 4 minus 8 square will be 64. Now 4 into 8 square will be 64 and 17 square will be 289 minus 3. So here our LCM will be 289. So 289 3 ja 3 9 ja 27, carry 2, 3 8 ja 24 and 2 26, carry 2, 3 2 ja 6 and 2 8, 867 minus 4 into 225 will be 4 5 ja 20, carry 2, 4 2 ja 8 and 2 10 and 9 upon here LCM is 289. 4 into 64 will be 256 minus 3 into 289. That will be equals to 867. So 289 will be cancelled. So 867 minus 900 will be minus 33 upon 256 minus 867 will be 1 6 minus 611 minus will be cancelled out. So 33 upon 611. This will be 33 upon 611. Now right hand side, that is 3 minus tan square theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So 3 minus tan theta is 15 upon 8 and tan square theta will be 15 upon 8 whole square upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta will be 15 upon 8 whole square. So that will be equals to 3 minus 15 square is 225 and 8 square is 64 upon 1 minus 3 into 225 upon 64. So from here 64 will be LCM and that will be equals to 192 minus 225 upon 64 minus 675 upon 64. So 64 will be cancelled out. That will be equals to 192 minus 225 will be minus 33 and 64 minus 675 will be minus 611. So minus minus will be cancelled out. So that will be equals to 33 upon 611. So that is equals to our LHS. Hence proved. So LHS is equals to RHS. R.S. Agrawal, Chapter Trigonometry, Exercise 10, Trigonometric Ratio, question number 17. In question number 70, we have given tan theta is 20 upon 21. Then prove that 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta will be equals to 3 upon 7. तो इस प्रॉब्लम में हमें दिया हुआ है tan थीटा इज 20 अपॉन 21 और हमें पता है tan थीटा इक्वल्स टू होता है परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस। तो हम एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करेंगे ए बी सी। दिस इज ए, दिस इज बी, दिस इज सी। एंगल भी हमारा 90 है। कंसीडर ए थीटा है तो विद रेस्पेक्ट टू थीटा आवर परपेंडिकुलर विल बी बी सी, दैट इज 20 एंड बेस विल बी ए बी। सो फर्स्टली वी विल फाइंड ए सी, दैट इज आवर हाइपोटेनियस। सो वी नो AC square will be AB square plus BC square. So AC square will be AB is 21, that is 21 square, plus BC is 20, that is 20 square. So we know 21 square will be 441 plus 20 square will be 400. So from here AC square will be 841. So AC will be under root 841, that is equals to 29. So our hypotenuse will be 29. So now our sin theta will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So our perpendicular is 20 and hypotenuse is 29 and cos theta will be base upon hypotenuse. So our base is 21 and hypotenuse is 29. Now from left hand side, that is 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta प्लस कॉस थीटा। अब यहाँ वैल्यू पुट करेंगे हम साइन थीटा और कॉस थीटा की। सो 1 माइनस साइन थीटा इज 20/29 प्लस कॉस थीटा इज 21/29 अपॉन 1 प्लस साइन थीटा दैट इज 20/29 प्लस 21/29. So from here above 29 will be LCM, so that will be 29 minus 20 plus 21 upon again 29 will be LCM, 29 plus 20 plus 21. So 29 will be cancelled out, so that will be equals to 29 plus 21 will be 50 and 50 minus 20 will be 30 and 29 plus 21 will be 50, 50 plus 20 will be 70. So 0 will be cancelled out, that will be equals to 3/7, that is equals to RHS. RS Agrawal, trigonometry, exercise 10, trigonometric ratio. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 हमें दिया हुआ है tan थीटा इक्वल्स टू 1/√7 और हमें प्रूव करना है कोसेक स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस सेक स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन कोसेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस सेक स्क्वायर थीटा इज 4/3. सो वी आर गिवन tan थीटा इक्वल्स टू 1/√7. तो यहाँ से हमें पता है tan थीटा इक्वल्स टू होता है परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस. तो सबसे पहले एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल फॉर्म करेंगे. दिस इज अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल ABC whose angle B is 90 degree and angle A is theta. So with respect to theta the BC will be perpendicular, that is 1, and AB will be base, that is √7. So from here AC square will be equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square will be AB square, that is √7 square plus BC square, that is 1 square. So that will be 7 plus 1. So AC square will be 8, square will be 8. So from here AC will be √8. Now this is our hypotenuse √8. So we know cosec theta is given by hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So our hypotenuse is √8 and perpendicular is 1, and sec theta is given by hypotenuse upon base. So that will be equals to √8 upon √7. So now from LHS, that is cosec square theta plus sec square theta upon cosec square theta minus sec square theta. So cosec square theta is will be √8 square plus sec square theta, that will be √8 upon √7 whole square upon √8 square cosec square theta minus √8 upon √7 whole square. So this will be 8 plus 8/7 and 8 minus 8/7. So from here our LCM will be 7. 7 8 is 56 plus 8, and that will be 56 minus 8/7. 7 will be cancelled out, So 56 plus 8, that will be 64, and 56 minus 8 will be 48. So from 16, that will be cancelled out 4 times, and this will be 3 times. So this will be equals to 4 upon 3. That is equals to RHS. Hence proof. S. Agrawal, chapter trigonometry, exercise 10, trigonometric ratio. In question number 90, we have given if sin theta is 3 upon 4, then prove that under root cosec square theta minus cot square theta upon sec square theta minus 1 will be under root 7 upon 3. So in this problem, we have given sin theta is equals to 3 upon 4, that is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So firstly we will draw a right angle triangle A, B, C, in which angle A is theta, angle B is 90 degree. So with respect to theta, BC will be perpendicular, that is 3, and AC will be hypotenuse, that is 4. So we know that in right angle triangle AC square will be equals to AB square plus BC square. So from here AB square will be AC square minus BC square. So AC square will be equals to 4 square, that is 16, minus BC square will be 3 square, that is 9. So AB square will be 7. So AB will be under root 7. So from here our base is root 7. So now cosec theta will be equals to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, that is 4 upon 3, and cot theta will be base upon perpendicular, that is root 7 upon 3, and at last sec theta will be hypotenuse upon base, that will be equals to 4 upon root 7. So now from left hand side, that is under root cosec square theta minus cot square theta upon sec square theta minus 1. So now putting the value of cosec theta, cot theta and sec theta. So cosec square theta, that is cosec theta is 4 upon 3. So cosec square theta will be 4 upon 3 whole square minus cot square theta will be under root 7 upon 3 whole square upon sec square theta, that is 4 upon root 7 whole square minus 1. So from here our 4 upon 3 whole square will be 16 upon 9. 4 upon 3 whole square will be 16 upon 9 minus under root 7 upon 3 whole square will be 7 upon 9 upon 4 upon root 7 square will be 16 upon 7 minus 1. So here our LCM will be 9, and 16 minus 7 will be 9. From here 7 will be LCM, 16 minus 7. So this will be cancelled out, 1, 16. So from here 16 minus 7 will be 9, and that will be root 7. That will be 7. So 7 will we go on the top. So this will be under root 7 upon 9. So from here under root 7 and under root 9 will be 3, that is equals to RHS, hence proved. R.S. Agrawal, chapter Trigonometry, exercise 10, trigonometric ratio, problem number 20. In problem number 20, we have given if 3 tan A equals to 4, then prove that first under root sec A minus cosec A upon sec A plus cosec A equals to 1 upon root 7. And in second part, we have to prove under root 1 minus sin A upon 1 plus cos A equals to 1 upon 2 root 2. So firstly, we will solve first part. So in this problem, we have given that 3 tan A equals to 4. So from here, tan A will be equals to 4 upon 3. So we know that tan A is given by perpendicular upon base. So firstly, we will draw a right angle triangle A, B, C. This is angle A. So with respect to angle A, our perpendicular will be BC, that is 4, and hypotenuse will be AC, and base will be AB, that is 3. So our hypotenuse will be AC square will be equals to AB square plus BC square. So our AB square will be 9 and BC square will be 16. So from here, AC square will be 25. So AC will be 5. That is our hypotenuse. So in triangle ABC, the value of sec A will be given by hypotenuse upon base, that is hypotenuse is 5 and base is 3, and cosec A will be given by hypotenuse upon perpendicular, that is 5 upon 4. So from left hand side, that is under root sec A minus cosec A upon sec A plus cosec A. Now putting the value, sec A is 5 upon 3 minus cosec A is 5 upon 4 upon sec A is 5 upon 3 plus 5 upon 4. So here in two terms, 12 will be LCM, this will be 20 and this will be 15. Similarly, here also 12 will be LCM, that will be 20 plus 15. 12 will be cancelled out, that will be equals to 20 minus 15 under root 5 upon 35, 1 upon 7. This will be cancelled out 7 times, so that is under root 1 upon 7. It can be written as 1 upon root 7. Hence proved. Now from this triangle, sin A will be given by perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is equals to 4 upon 5, and cos A will be equals to base upon hypotenuse, that is equals to 3 upon 5. So now from left hand side, 1 minus sin A upon 1 plus cos A. Putting the value, 1 minus sin A is 4 upon 5 upon 1 plus cos A is 3 upon 5. So here 5 will be LCM, 5 minus 4. Here 5 will be LCM, 5 plus 3. So 5 will be cancelled out. That will be equals to 5 minus 4, that is 1, and 5 plus 3, that is equals to 8. So this will be equals to 1 upon root 8, and root 8 can be written as 2 root 2, that is equals to right hand side, hence proof.